Hello, Cam Stone here from Mojoe Outfitters. We are up in the Sierras, below the peaks. You can see the peaks in the background. We're about 8,500 feet right here. We've got a killer campsite, you can see it. And we got our setup with the Mojoe, we got the e-helmet. And so today, we're gonna make, for my son, who happens to be your cameraman, grilled cheese, onion, and bacon sandwiches. Okay, so we'll come back when we're ready to go here. Okay, we got everything kind of chopped up. Okay, look what we got here. We got 3 different kinds of cheeses here. We got Gouda, we got some mozzarella, and we got some camembert. Oh, look at that. That's going on our grilled cheesers. We got onions. We're gonna fry those up, and we got big, beefy, steak-like mushrooms. That's going on there, and this is the bread we're gonna use. We went to Shots in Bishop, and this is bacon chili cheese bread. They make the best cheese bread ever. See, bacon chili cheese bread. It's awesome. So we're gonna get this going real soon. I'm gonna start up the stove. Okay, that's going. It's gonna heat up. We'll get going on this. All right, we got our bacon here. That's the first thing. We'll get some grease for the onions and the mushrooms. Get going on that. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that. Oh, it already smells awesome. I can't wait. Okay, so that's gonna be our bacon. Get that going. We'll come back, throw the onions on and the mushrooms, get those all seared up, and then we'll be ready to make our grilled cheese sandwiches. Oh. Okay, I got the mushrooms. The bacon grease is kind of right there, so I'm just gonna throw those on over here. They can pick up some of that grease. Yum. And then we'll move them over to the hot spot when that's ready. I'm stacking the bacon right here, like that. Oh God, look at that. A little bit more on this guy. Okay. Then we're gonna throw the onions on as soon as this guy's done. Okay, bacon is stacked. We've got the shrooms going on here. Throwing these onions on. Get those soaking up a little of that grease too. And come back to you when these are just about ready. Look at that. Oh, smells so good. All right, so I got my Mojoe blade and my Mojoe blade buddy. We're gonna do a little flip in here. Oh yeah, get these things. Oh, look at them. They're just so nice right now. Flip those over. Yum. Yeah. Okay, that one needs to go over. Another one there. Okay. Oops, that one probably needs it. Yeah. Okay, and then now the onions. Oh, these are gonna go so great on the sandwich. Unreal. So we'll keep those going on, and when they're done, we'll come back. We'll go to the next step. Okay, so mushrooms look nice and meaty and done, so we're just gonna push them over against the Mojoe strap-on griddle lip. Let's see how the onions are doing. They're looking pretty damn good too. Yeah, we'll just push those right over here, and they'll stay nice and hot and warm, ready for what comes next. Clean it off a little here with the Mojoe blade. Yeah, baby. Okay, now we're gonna do the bread, and then also we'll do the cheese. All right, check this out, the jalapeno cheese bread. Oh, okay. So now we're going to put that on there and grill it up, man. It'll get nice and hot and toasty. Like that. Okay. And this will get, we're gonna put the heat helmet on there so that it heats all the way through. Dang, it's gonna be good. All right, so these guys are ready. I'm just gonna set them again to the side, like so. Oops, I'll put that one on top of this guy. So, oh, I wish you could smell this. It's insanity. So we'll sit that right over there. We'll get this cleaned off with the stuff, like so. And then, now, here we go. We're going to just melt the cheese. So I'm gonna actually flip these over like that. So I can just drop the cheese on. I'm gonna make one sandwich and then we'll be done, but I'll make the other one for me later. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna just melt some Gouda. We're gonna melt a couple pieces of camembert, like so. And we got some mozzarella right here. Okay, and then we're just gonna scoop that up and put it on the sandwich, on the bread, and then we'll load it up with everything else. So it's just gonna melt here. Okay, let's do this. Use my blade here, like so. So that's the Gouda. Oh, and then we got the mozzarella here. We're just gonna slather that. Oh, that's a gooey mess. Dang, here, check that out. That is a gooey mess. Look at it, it's dripping out and stuff. Then we're gonna take our brie cheese. Gooey, gooey, ooey, gooey, gooey. Okay, so this is the way my son wants it. Some mushrooms on a top like that. Oh, like so. Then maybe some bacon like this. Let's just let it all hang out, huh? Just let it hang out like that. And then we'll put some onions on there, like so. Oh, that's sinful. It's just wrong. I'm sorry, it's wrong. Okay, I don't even know. It's so covered up. Okay, I think this is the direction we want. Okay, now we look at it. Look at it bubbling over here. Look at that bubbling. Okay, there. Oh, slid off like that. Okay, I'm gonna cut this open just so you can just see it right here. All right. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, the bacon doesn't want to cut. Ow, that is one hot sandwich. Okay. Oh, it just wants to slide. I should have like some kind of glove that doesn't let it slide. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. It's just ooey gooiness with onions and bacon and everything you could ever want in a sandwich. And it's on the best bread you can get, the Schatz bread. All right, so I'm gonna make my sandwich, and I'm really happy you guys tuned in. Stay tuned for the next Mojoe Outfitters video on YouTube, youtube.com/Mojoe Outfitters. There's tons of videos on there, and it's all, a lot of it, or most of it, is in a place like this. Give them a show here. All right, let's see.